Many people think one brilliant mind invented the internet. This is not true. The internet has a long history. It took many people from different countries working together to create it. The internet is a network of networks. It connects computers all over the world. This allows people to share information and communicate quickly and easily. The internet we know today evolved over many years. It started with a simple idea: sharing resources. Scientists and engineers wanted to find a way to share expensive computer resources. The internet's story is a testament to collaboration and innovation. It highlights how great things can be achieved when people work together towards a common goal. In the 1960s, the US government funded a groundbreaking research project called ARPANET. This project laid the foundation of what we now know as the internet. ARPANET aimed to connect computers at different research institutions across the United States. Before ARPANET, computers were very large, expensive, and operated in isolation. Only a few universities and government agencies had access to these powerful machines. ARPANET allowed researchers to share these powerful machines, fostering collaboration and innovation. This meant more people could access and benefit from these advanced computing resources. ARPANET introduced a revolutionary technology called packet switching. This technology broke data into small packets and sent them independently across the network, ensuring efficient data transmission. Packet switching made the network more efficient and resilient to failures. The development of ARPANET was a crucial step towards the creation of the modern internet. It demonstrated the immense power of networking and laid the groundwork for future technological innovations that we benefit from today. As more networks were created, a new problem arose. They couldn't communicate with each other. Each network had its own language. It was like trying to have a conversation with someone who speaks a different language. To solve this, a new set of rules was created called TCP/IP. This stands for Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. TCP/IP provided a common language for all networks. With TCP/IP, any computer could communicate with any other computer on the network. It didn't matter what type of computer or network they were using. The adoption of TCP/IP was a turning point. It enabled the interconnection of different networks, paving the way for a truly global network. Section 4. From electronic post-its to global communication, the rise of email. In the early days of ARPANET, email emerged as a killer app, revolutionizing the way people communicated. It allowed researchers to share messages and information electronically, making communication faster and more efficient. Email quickly became one of the most popular uses of the network, connecting people like never before. At first, email was a simple way to send short messages, much like digital post-it notes. People used it to jot down quick thoughts and reminders, making it an essential tool for daily tasks. But as email evolved, it became possible to send longer messages and attachments, enhancing its functionality. Email transformed the way people communicated, making it easier to stay in touch across distances. It was faster than traditional mail and more convenient than phone calls, offering a new level of accessibility. Email facilitated collaboration and knowledge sharing among researchers worldwide, breaking down geographical barriers. It wasn't long before businesses and individuals recognized the power of email, integrating it into their daily routines. The rest, as they say, is history. Email has become an indispensable part of modern life, shaping the way we communicate and work. Section 5. Weaving the Web. Tim Berners-Lee and the Birth of the World Wide Web. In the late 1980s, Tim Berners-Lee, a visionary scientist at CERN, developed the World Wide Web, or WWW. He wanted to make it easier for scientists to share information and collaborate on research projects. Berners-Lee created a system of interlinked documents, which he called hypertext. These documents could contain text, images, and even videos, making information more dynamic and engaging. He also invented the first web browser, a software application for accessing the web, which he named World Wide Web. The World Wide Web revolutionized the internet by making it more user-friendly and accessible. It made it accessible to everyone, not just scientists and researchers, but also the general public. The web's user-friendly interface and multimedia capabilities led to an explosion of information sharing, online creativity, and social interaction. Berners-Lee's invention transformed the way we learn, work, and interact with the world, bridging distances and connecting people. It ushered in a new era of global communication and information access, fundamentally changing our society and the way we live our lives.